na siya. Ganda. Hey guys! Welcome back! It's me again, Jessa and Travis.
Hindi tayo doon eh!
Yeah!
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah. She needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no more. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Nano Ferriejo. Ano siya? Staycation. So, kasama ko yung best friend ko. Say hi, Rowie! Si Rowie nga pala. And then, nandito kami sa room na back room tong pinabook namin. So, itutur ko kayo guys. I will show you kung ano yung back room nila dito. So, first, nandito tayo sa... Ito yung pinaka unang pinto. So, ayan. Tapos, ito yung meron na silang tubig dito, libre. Libre na daw yung tubig. Tapos, ayan, pwede namin gamitin yung kettle nila. And then, itong fridge, ayan, meron ng laman. Pero, kung gagamit daw kami, kung kukuha daw kami dyan, syempre, babayaran namin. Hindi siya yung kasama. Tapos, ito yung parang shower lang namin. Okay na din. Diba? Ang ganda. Simple lang. Para sa 1-2 mo, diba guys? Okay na. Tapos, ayan. Pwede ka rin jumebs dito. Ayan, wait lang. Ito yung parang, ano niya. Tapos, ito yung bawon niya. Tapos, meron lagay ng slippers. Ayan. Tapos, ito na yung room ng pinaka-room. Maliit lang siya, pero okay na okay siya sa pangdalawahan. Ayan. Tapos, dito, makikita nyo may pagkain. So, ayan. Ayan. Pag kukuha ng pagkain, syempre, sabi mo sa kanila at doon mo babayaran. Pagka-check out na daw. Yan. Ayan. Tapos, ayun na yung pool, guys. Pupunta na kami doon para mag-picture. Char! Mag-picture na talaga. Hindi ka pa naman gutom, best, no? Maganda daw mag-ano na tayo ngayon kasi mamay meron ng darating.
A few moments later.
Mag-swimming na kami, guys. Mag-swimming na kami ng aking besties. And ito ang aking outfit. Char! And malakas ang outfit natin. Pa. Ayan. Nabili ko siya sa Lala Bells ba yun? Lana Bells. Ayan. So, pupunta na kami dun sa pool. Medyo mababaw lang yung pool, guys. So, kaya naman namin. Hindi kasi kami masyado marunong. Marunong ka lumangoy, bes? Hindi marunong lumangoy din yung kasama ko. So, bagay na bagay sa amin yun. Ayan. Punta na kami, guys.
rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere.
Hello guys! Welcome back. So, pauwi na kami ng aking friend. So, ano lang kami, ano lang talaga kami. Hindi kami mag-overnight dito. Pero, naglinis muna kami kasi ayun yung policy dito. Kailangan maglinis muna bago mag-ano. Tapos, sinugasan na rin namin yung mga utensils na ginamit namin. Ayan, malinis na. Ayan yung bed. Tapos, kinuha na rin namin yung basura. Tapos, ayan yung tinda nila. Pero, hindi kami gumalaw yun. Kasi, ano yan, kapag ka gusto mong bumili, pagka ano mo na yan, check out mo, sasabihin mo sa kanila, pipicturan mo lang, ganun. Pero may dala naman kami yung food. So, yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Pauwi na rin kami and kakain muna kami sa McDo or Jollibee. Nagugutom na kami. Hindi naman kami lumungi pero napagod kami. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on our next vlog. Bye!
Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA. I'm not excited.